Today is Syrah Day, October 6th, and we're actually harvesting two different kinds of grapes today at the same time. Viognier, which is a wonderfully aromatic white wine variety, and Syrah, old variety from the Rhone. Actually, both of these are from the Rhone. And we're going to make our Syrah in the traditional way that has been made in the co-roti for hundreds of years. It's the inspiration for our Syrah at Bedell. And it's a co-fermentation where we take a percentage of the Viognier and add it to the fermenting red grapes of the Syrah in the same tank. And we get a wonderful combination of fruity aromatics and some bright acidity and freshness that is married into the Syrah. And this is done at fermentation in order that the juice from the Viognier is colored right at the same time that the juice from the Syrah is being colored. If we did this later on with white wine, had a little bit of Viognier wine going into a little bit of Syrah wine, the Syrah would get diluted because the wine would reduce the color and reduce the density and mouthfeel of the Syrah. But if we do it during the fermentation, and just a small percentage, traditionally 5 to 20% Viognier is used to co-ferment with Syrah. Done at that time, the juice in fact is not diluted at all and is just as red as it would be, sometimes even darker than if the Syrah was done by itself. So it's a very old technique. It was also done in Tuscany and parts of southern Italy and also in Spain to soften the tannins and expand the mouthfeel and improve the aromatics of some of those red wines that produced in those areas. And we find that it's a technique that works very well here in the North Fork as well for us. The kind of earthy, bacon-like character of Syrah comes mingled with the stone fruit and the flowery essence of Viognier, and it's a great match, a great combination. People really like these two grapes together. I think this year is probably going to be the best one we've ever made. Really fantastic growing conditions. The guys are picking them all by hand right now as we speak, and we're going to go through this process with you later on the sorting table and take you all the way into the fermentation. Wow, that's good.